Hey YouTube, Victor Kayak here. I didn't go fishing yesterday. I was kind of tired, you know. Uh, I took next weekend off. It looks looks like it's gonna be okay. You know, no more strong wind. Gonna be a nice day. But anyways, I'm over here thinking. I got this table that I take when I go out there, and I use it to put all my plastic bait and my hooks and everything. Because I use a lot of plastics and I've been changing. Anyways, this table comes with this base right here like that. And since all my kayak has roll holders, those, especially the Scotty brand, I decided to take it out, take this out. And my first idea was to do this right here like that. Well, this is you know those flags that you put in front of the house? It's aluminum. So I got this on my other two kayaks because I did my own stabilizers. That would make my next kayak and my next video, sorry. And first I was gonna do this, you know, because the idea is to, you know, put them down every time I go out there, and if I gotta paddle somewhere else, just put them down, I can paddle and then put it back up. Well, instead of doing this system, I decided to do this system. I took some roll holders, bases that I had around the house, and I took a PVC pipe, same here, 3 1/4. Put a PVC 3 1/4 adapter with a screw. So this part, it's an extra adapter that I have for my camera when I go out there, since it's I got another one. So this goes like this. It screws right here like that. You know? Something like that. And I took another piece of roll holder, and you know it comes with those teeth. So I put the teeth out, and on this one also, because every time I put it, it will go on an angle, like an angle like that, and I need it straight, like that. So what I did, took this is one of the Scotty roll holder, also base with the screw, a stainless screw. Took it like that, put the screw another knob on the other side, and because I have to be able to adjust it, you know. And it goes like that, straight. And the table will be looking something like this, but I wanna put it facing out, you know. So, and you can see right there. And the idea is I can move it, you know. But once I tied it up, you know, like that, you know, it won't move. And the idea with this is that when I have to paddle to another spot, just lose it, and it goes down like that. Well, out of the kayak, of course. So I can paddle, and be out of the way, you know. So once I get in my spot, you know, put it again, tied it up, you know, and it'll be something like that. So that's the idea. So, and I can just take it out of there, and I got two pieces. I do it small because with this extension we'll go, you know, a little bit higher. So what I gotta do here next is put rivets right here. Just with my rivets. So I get a little gun here. You know? And something like that. Take out the base. You know? And put it like that. Do the same thing. And that will hold it in place. I did that on the bottom also. Right here. If you can see it. Right there. And right there. You know? And it won't come off. So I took electrical tape and cover black. I'm gonna do this too right here also. Some tape here. Instead of painting it, just put a little bit, you know, tape like that. Here you go. You know, just to cover a little bit. This is cut it. Like that. Maybe paint it on the top or something. So take the other part, same thing. A little bit of tape like that. And just, you know, cover it. Something like that, you know? And something like that, kind of. And when it will look like this. You see right there, all black. And you go to this base. Almost all the way in. Well, this base I will leave in the kayak like that, and it will go like this. I don't have to take it out if I don't have to, or if I don't want to. You know, and this part I take out. That's it. This is just a little, what I want to call it, my inventions. And that's it. Something simple. Because I use this table a lot. And since I got 3 kayaks, I wanna, you know, move it from kayak to kayak. And with this base right here, I can do it. So like always, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Anything else I can do for you, let me know. And I'll see you on the water.